I was like,
I'm the one.
I'm the one. इधर केमिस्ट्री नहीं थी, काम के लिए करना पड़ा हमें. Like, why am I telling so much like such truth on your show, यार?
We have a bunch of questions for you. So I'll start with, you look like a lover boy, or as you said that you look like a Bandra boy. So how do you portray such character which you played in Gurgaon and Lal Rang?
You know, when I first was starting out, I was very careful about that because, as we were talking earlier, ऊपर वाले ने जो चेहरा दिया, उसने दिया है. उसमें मेरा हाथ है नहीं उसमें. Like, I have nothing to do with that. Just maybe going to the gym and making a physique and things like that.
Yeah, that can be changed.
That can be changed. But, acting is something that was always in my hands. And I always want to prove to people that I had what it takes. I always knew, मैं 12 साल का था, मैंने decide किया मुझे actor बनना है.
Okay.
And because I always found myself boring. I feel कि, when I see somebody around, the way they speak, the way they look, the way they talk, I'm very excited about that. I want to pick up कि ये जो हमारे सामने बैठे हैं आज की डेट में, कोई उधर दूर बैठा है कुर्सी में, the way he's sitting. All these things I love to observe. This is what I love to do.
Okay.
And I don't want to be me. I don't want to be me. जो life मैंने देखी है, I spent a lot of time in America, in Bombay, in Bandra. I don't want anyone to ever say कि he is limited to this. उसका दायरा इतना है, वो इतना कर सकता है.
So you want something which is beyond you.
Something that's beyond me. And one of my first films was a film called Pizza 3D, which is a horror film made by UTV. And I remember when Bijoy Nambiar offered me the film, I didn't even, it was already a Tamil film that was successful, but I didn't even watch the film when I said yes. I did eventually see the film, but I knew the characters of this low strata pizza delivery boy. And I remember being like, yaar, main dikhta raees hoon. I know it, I understand that. But here there's an opportunity for someone saying, we'll dress you up in a certain way, you don't look rich. And I jumped at it.
That's exciting for you.
Very. Make me bald, make me ugly, I will be there in a second.
So how did you get your first break?
Ooh, my first break. So I think I was working with Makrandesh Pandey in Ansh Theatre Group. I had come back from the US where I studied, I got Bachelor of Arts in Theatre. और मुझे सिर्फ थिएटर का काम आता था, फिल्म के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था मुझे.
And it's a totally different
mediums, absolutely. So I started working with Makran sir and he backstage करता था मैं उनके साथ. Then I remember somebody told me कि सूरज बड़जात्या is looking to launch somebody.
Okay.
So I was like, I'm the one. And I reached Rajshri. I literally just Prabha Devi में उनका office है. I just reached there and I met Suraj ji, I met Raj Babu, that whole family. And on my first meeting, they sat me down on a big table and you have the entire Rajshri Parivar and he put a paper in front of me. He said, tu actor hai na? Show me, do these lines.
Monologue, yeah.
Do this monologue for me. And I know all of them sitting there. And eventually I auditioned and got the film. It was called Isi Life.
At the first meeting,
No, it took me 4 meetings and 4 different auditions to get that film. It was called Isi Life. में एक show नहीं चला उस film का. But I mean, look, Rajshri put money on me and I was a nobody. So thank you if you're ever watching this. Yeah.
So we see mostly actors, they're signing commercial films. And you are the one who takes, chances and risks.
Yeah.
How does that happen?
Man, that's a very good question. I don't know. मैं instinct पे जाता हूँ. Some people in life have told me कि मेरी choice बड़ी खराब है. Like तुम और पॉपुलर हो सकते थे, तुम्हारा और बड़ा घर हो सकता था, तुम्हारे बंगले ये वो गाड़ियाँ हो सकती थी, endorsements हो सकते थे तुम्हारे. But when people tell me that, it doesn't sound like shit यार मैंने कुछ miss किया है. Because I know that today we're sitting here and you're asking me these questions because of something I have achieved and done.
Which is different.
Which is different. Yeah. And that's what I wanted to build. I wanted to build a career where people say कि यार वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. उसमें कोई भी रोल दे दो ना वो कर लेगा. And that's really what I wanted. I'm not here for the money. I'm not here for the fame. I'm very clear about it. And अगर वो चीजें आती हैं तो वो by product है, वो bonus है.
It's an add-on.
It's an add-on. I'm here for people to sit, people from the media, people from my industry to sit and tell me कि यार तुम काम बड़ा अच्छा करते हो. How do you do it? That's really what I'm interested in.
So as you look very, romantic and hot, so you must be attracting a lot of female fans.
I don't know.
So any incidents you remember where it...
Yeah, I do. And I think it's shocking because I haven't played to my looks. I haven't done films. I haven't played iconic characters like Shah Rukh Khan has that are fully romantic and women.
But you have that face.
But I think the face. Yeah. So there was this one lovely person from Morocco.
Okay.
She figured out where I live, and at that time I used to stay in Rizvi complex in Bandra. I have no idea how she found out where I lived, and she didn't want to bother. I knew that she exists because she used to write to me and on Instagram, and I think उस time पे Twitter ज़्यादा use करता था या Facebook, one of those things. And she showed up one day and she didn't.
Oh, she came all the
She
way.
came all the way from Morocco to Rizvi Complex in Bandra. Okay.
Oh, shit.
And she didn't want to bother me. It's not like
She just
she's
wanted to
being a stalker. She thought she hung around there for a couple of days. She didn't see me, and then she left something for me at the yoga house. Okay,
Where
where
you
she
used to
must have, where I used to go. So she must have seen on Instagram or social media that I go here. So she left
She knew
something with.
everything.
She knew everything. So she left something with the management there, like a
Oh.
keychain and a couple of things from Morocco, and she left.
That's beautiful.
That was
She
such a sweet thing.
Didn't
Yeah.
click a picture, or
She didn't get a picture with me.
Yeah.
She didn't get time with me. But she took a flight and came to India just to see if maybe she can meet me.
and
and,
she couldn't.
I think I was maybe out somewhere shooting at that time. So I don't even think I was in Bombay. But when I came back, I went to the yoga house and they told me कि ये कुछ सामान किसी ने छोड़ा है तुम्हारे लिए. I just thought that was very
It's really
very
beautiful.
sweet. Yeah.
And
It's very beautiful.
sweet.
It's very beautiful and
Otherwise,
sweet.
nowadays you see actors, they get bad experiences with their fans.
Yeah, I've seen
Doing
that. I've
shitty
seen
things
that.
with-
Yeah, I've seen that, and that's not as.
That's not
this is a very beautiful one, and यार हम लोग काम किसके लिए करते हैं? At the end of the day,
Right. for them.
हम ऑडियंस के लिए करते हैं. We want एक्टर सबसे ज्यादा भूखा होता है, सबसे ज्यादा इनसिक्योर होता है एक्टर. हमें चाहिए कि लोग हमें देखें,
चाहिए.
अटेंशन चाहिए. You know, that's again another facet to being an actor. You know, you want people to look at you and like your work and talk about your work. नहीं तो हम परफॉर्म किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? कमरे में बैठ के थोड़ी ना कर रहे हैं हम. So it's very. It was a very nice one.
And we know it's a time of digitalization.
Yeah.
So you see people are becoming a star from TikTok and Instagram.
Oh God.
And
Oh God.
Facebook.
You're right.
How do you see that?
So yeah, so I just did a show called Hum Tum and Them, and हम लोग डेला में shoot कर रहे थे, डेला लोनावला. Now
Yeah, it's a resort.
It's a resort, right? Now I have two kids in the show. I play an elder man in it.
Yeah.
मेरे दो बच्चे हैं उसमें, and हम लोग can't believe I'm sharing this story. हम लोग लोनावला में बैठे और ऐसे झुंड आ रही लड़कियों की एक झुंड आ रही है वहां से.
हाँ.
तो मेरा जो बच्चा और जो मेरी बेटी है ऐसे बैठे एक इधर एक इधर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बच्चे देखो अभी मेरे लिए आ रहे हैं, अभी रुक जाओ मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ कि थोड़ा मतलब हाउ व्हाट इट मींस टू बी अ सेलिब्रिटी एंड मैं कौन हूँ तुम देख लेना. So all these girls come running like that, and one of them turns to the girl and one of them turns to the boy, and they start taking selfies with them. With me it was very like they took pictures but they were not interested with them. They were going nuts. I have no idea who these two
TikTok
kids are.
and stuff.
Yeah. So when they left, मैंने कहा तुम लोग कौन हो यार? I know who I am. तुम लोग कौन हो? And so they said sir हमारे 8 million follower हैं TikTok पे, इसके तो 12 million follower हैं TikTok पे. And I realized at that time how
Was their collaboration?
yeah it was, and collaboration or not collaboration, it's just the impact of TikTok in India is massive, and the impact of social media in India is
Oh
massive.
my God. People are like, it's everything and anything is about social media.
It is maddening, yaar. It is absolutely maddening.
Actually, currently, according to you, which is the project you really like and you want to talk about?
That I worked on.
Yeah.
As I said, fortunately, I've worked a lot this year. I did 4 series and
You have been
4
busy.
films. Yeah, 4 films and 4 series.
2019.
Yeah, 2019 is like, I hope 2020 is also like that. But of all of it, see, I actually don't care about the results. Sorry to my producers. मुझे result से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. मैं
You
अपना
just
काम
do
करके
your
मैं घर चला जाता हूँ. But for the experience of what I lived through while making it is what I take home. And I think in that way, Magic is a show actually MX Player has made that Nikhil Rao's directed from Jamik Films, who is a big time ad filmmaker. And it's a show about basically a junkie, a druggie, who discovers a drug that is
And
actually
you are the person.
that it's a mind expanding drug, and he now sells this drug. And I actually think it'll be one of the best shows to come out in 2020.
So Akshay, it's time to play some game, and we have this interesting game called Never Have I Ever.
Excellent.
So we
I
are
love
expecting
games.
all,
The truth.
सच्चाई आपकी जिंदगी.
बिल्कुल लगाओ
This
चलो
is
चलो
for you.
चलो चलो करते हैं.
And I'll complain you. Never have I ever checked my partner's phone.
My partner's phone, I have.
Everyone. I stand it. Never have I ever dated 2 persons at the same time.
2 people at the same time.
Yeah. Oh my God. I have. Really?
Yeah, I have in college.
Okay.
मत करो बच्चों, सही नहीं है, ऐसे मत करो.
Never have I ever used Tinder.
I have never used Tinder.
Same.
I've never used, but I hear it's very successful and people are quite happy because of Tinder.
I heard Bombay's Tinder is very good.
I've heard Bombay's Tinder is.
Must be using that.
I've heard, you know, I'm on I'm on Grindr is the other one, na? I'm on Grindr. I've had people reach out to me because someone's put me on Grindr,
Okay, your picture is
my
there.
picture and my like profile on
Will
it.
be okay.
So I was like, okay, nice.
Never have I ever stolen anything from the hotel I stayed.
I have shampoos,
So,
creams, soaps, towels.
when did that happen?
It still happens. Don't invite me to your hotel.
Never have I ever done a drunk call to my ex.
Yeah,
Yeah,
plenty.
I don't drink so much. Seems like
You
you have
must.
done everything in any.
Must. An actor, you must experience things, no, in life. Otherwise, how can you be an actor?
Never have I ever got almost arrested.
No, I've never been arrested. I've never been arrested. But that is something I
Traffic
wish
police
that I could have
action
said
or-
yes. Because
is-
I would, no, yeah, that too constantly, but not to
others
point of
think that-
arresting, nahin.
She's in India.
But that would be a good experience to have, right? Spend a night in jail types. What if like a director comes to me and says कि तुम्हें ये portray करना है यार?
That for you.
Please don't.
Okay. Never have I ever made out with someone double of my age. Never.
Double of my age, I have never. Double to I have.
You have?
And that was for a workshop for a film that never released called Disco 82. She was 65 years old and I was at that time
You have
30.
disclosed everything.
I've just disclosed that. Like, why am I telling so much like such truth on your show, yaar? What is this karmic cycle
That's what
production?
we want.
Let's chit chat. What chit chat? बर्बाद कर दोगे मुझे?
Chatting with me.
Like straight chit chatting. It's like with like कोई देख नहीं रहा है. हम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं. Yeah, I have. She was 65, and we did it for a workshop for a film called Disco 82.
Was she good?
Oh my God, yaar, what a terrible question to ask. Ma'am, if you're watching this ever, like, yes, lovely, but it was more for a workshop because in that film I was supposed to kiss an elderly woman, and
Okay, she was opposite you. That's how you.
no, she wasn't opposite me. There's this moment in the film where this
where
happens.
you have.
So the director had in the workshop said,
You have to kiss her.
kiss her. Like if you, I mean, she asked if you're comfortable, if
Okay,
she's
then
comfortable.
only. Okay.
So it was for work, and but that film never got released. It actually got shelved midway through. Unfortunately, बहुत अच्छी film थी वो, but
you had a chemistry with.
I mean, like अब क्या ज़्यादा like हो रहा है इधर chemistry नहीं थी, काम के लिए करना पड़ा हमें. So I have
Thank you so much for being so honest and truthful.
absolutely what a game to play.
It was really nice playing with you.
Thank you. I also enjoyed it. I'm a little afraid for myself,
And
but
wish you all the good luck for your upcoming project.
thank
Looking
you.
forward.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Akshay Oberoi, and you're watching me on Let's Chit Chat with Mehreen Khan.